Hello North White students and North White families. My name is Mr. Schmicker, and if you're watching this video, you are lucky enough to be placed in my classroom for the 2020-2021 school year. I'm super excited to be back in the classroom. We've got a lot of great things in store. I know things are going to be a lot different this year, but with each other's help, we're going to do our best to make this year a very successful year for the North White Elementary School. Let me just start off by showing you around the room really quick. I'm going to pick this up and kind of show you. This is our whiteboard. I will be using the whiteboard a lot, using the Memo board to work out math problems, write stories, show journal entries, all kinds of things. We'll have a nice spot for a calendar and for a PBIS system. Our desks are spread out nice and far apart. My desk is up in the corner. You'll notice a few Ball State things around the room. I did go to Ball State. There's a few helper things on the wall, such as addition, subtraction charts, number charts, place value charts, multiplication, division, parts of speech, the writing process, and really just a lot of things that are going to help you to become successful. Something important to me is our birthday graph. I'd like to see and know when your birthdays are so we can have a little celebration. But really, that was just a quick overview of the classroom. Let me get this set back down. I know it's going to be a different school year for everyone involved, including myself. But with everybody's help, we're going to make this the best year that we could have at North White Elementary.